Hey guys, good day to you. Today I would like to share with you how we use these online free tools, Mockup Mark for our design. So this is totally free mockup website generator. So here we can log in and then we can check the pricing if you want to sign up the premium account. We also can know coming soon this website will provide e-commerce solution, PSD downloads, and non-apparent mockups. So PSD downloads I think more suitable for me download and upload to the Photopeer for further use to show my client or show my potential customer. So here, what is a mockup generator? The important thing is to save time and money by using a mockup generator. It's very useful. So let's scroll down and check this one free mockups. So after we click in, they will show you can upload your artworks, or you can choose one of these this sample or example design to those this empty t-shirt. So for example, I upload my works, then I just choose the transparency. In my previous video, this coffee, the great coffee icon, great coffee logo. Then I can choose rotate, and I also can choose horizontal or vertical, and then I will scale up to make this logo more bigger like this, and then adjust the location. Once I happy, just click submit. So just wait for a while. Now just uploading, wait for the while, then generating preview. We can come and take a look. This is very nice. We happy about this model. We can click download. But those photo without this change color, that means we're not able to change. So for example, I click change color, then I can choose whatever the color I want, for example pink color. Then after that, happy about this color, just click change color, then see what's the result. So this is the result. After I happy, I just click download for send for my computer, and then I can send it to my client as well. So for example, I just download this one. They will choose and write testimonial, follow us on Instagram, and like us on Facebook. Okay, do you want a link? Okay, I click allowed. So after that, I check to my computer. Yes, this is the mockup. So this is the mockup. Very beautiful, very nice, and then totally is free. So this is today I'm sharing. I hope you enjoy this video. Please give me like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video soon. Bye bye.